Back friends and good evening. Today on the desk we have QSC CP8 powered speaker. The problem with the unit is it has power shutdown during play, and we have examined the system. The choke here has leakage which needs to be replaced, and the MOSFET also, we have some doubt on this as well. So we'll try to replace this as well, and then check the sound, whether it is having the power cut off or not. Okay, so we'll get back to you soon. After the repairs of the board and having tested for last 1 hour, it has been playing smoothly without any cut off. Let's test again.
Hello, check mic testing 1, 2. Wait. Hello, check mic 1, 2, 3, 4.